After walking under such heat with such humidity, the best way to do is to drink coffee. There's this particular salt coffee that is quite unique and probably worth trying. Let's go. Good afternoon everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm currently in Hue, located 700 kilometers down south of Hanoi. I took 4 hours sleeping bus from Hoi An. A lot of people reside within this Imperial City, and it is very much a living community. Like behind me, the wall, plenty of people are taking a walk, stroll in the afternoon, exercising. It's just quite nice, you know, like how the locals life integrating into the historic building. So I actually asked if I can actually, how many actually have I said in this entire video? I asked if I could film the process of making that salty coffee. They said no. I think when it comes to business, when they're doing really well, people are afraid of the fact that their recipe will be stolen. Let's just try and wait and see if that's really going to live up to the expectation. If you don't know, that Vietnamese use this type of dripping to actually process their coffee, and because it's hot, they always serve ice cubes and a little bit of tea. Taking out the dripping coffee dripper, like so. The salt coffee looks white. I'll try to drink it without the ice first. Oh, interesting. It's slightly salty. Of course, there's the taste of that salt at the beginning, and you drink. But then after that, it comes back to the coffee itself. Still salty. Let's see if putting ice will water down the saltiness. And mix it up, probably will change. It's like foamy. Oh, that tastes so much better. It tastes very creamy. Oh wow. That's nice. That's like butterscotch. Yum. It was actually that good. I had to order another one, so I had 2 glasses of that. It tasted like actually salted caramel. Beautiful. That's the first time I tasted it. Surprisingly delicious. Finally, after walking and walking, I found the most recommended. It is called as Banh Khoai Hong Mai. I'm so gonna butcher, but I think they only serve and they only cook, they only sell 2 particular food. I'm so curious, if they only sell 2 particular food, that means it must be good. So, even though you can't really see, I have two particular food that the only food that they're selling. First being pork satay and lemongrass, and also the other one being something like Banh Xeo. However, this is a bit different because the size is smaller, and also I think this particular wrap is basically a bit thicker and fried. So I don't know, like, how do I go about it? Perhaps. Can you teach me how to eat this?
Yeah, this you have dry pepper.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's dry pepper. Yeah, you include it sour salad.
Okay.
Yeah, it's star fruit.
Or star fruit.
Yes, it's the fish only in Hue, the fish. Yes, and a cucumber.
Cucumber.
Yeah, and vegetable. Yeah, and you roll with lemon wrap. Yeah, when finish your roll, you put out lemon wrap.
Wow.
And you take out its lemon wrap. It's younger.
Oh.
Yeah, can you eat a little here? It's good smell. Yeah,
Okay.
it's weather
And
for
then
you.
give that the salt to the
Yeah,
sauce,
can you
yeah?
tip the sauce here?
Oh, okay. Nice. What about this one? What is it called?
Yeah, it's the grilled pork rye pancake.
Something like Banh Xeo, yeah?
Yeah, no, in the same Banh Xeo, but
But
it's Banh Khoai. Yeah, it's very dry.
Okay.
In Banh Xeo, it's big. It's big dry. Yeah,
This is
and
smaller,
small.
yeah.
Yeah. When you eat, you put anything inside the cake and roll the sauce, and you take it by
so
hand.
you don't use any paper.
No.
No.
The
So-
the Banh Xeo you eat with the
Yeah,
rye
correct,
pepper,
correct.
but it's the rye pancake. You
Yeah.
include in not the same.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
If you are in a certain country and you don't know how to eat, and especially if they serve it all together, and it's quite confusing as to like, how do I go about this? Basically, ask the local. They love explaining the food to you. So I have this particular peanut sauce. I'll put a little bit of chili and then mix it a little bit so it's spicier. The sauce is a bit gooey, yeah? So this is the goodness of that particular wrap filled with pork satay. Dip it into the peanut sauce. Oh my god. I said I should eat a little bit of here. Wow. Wow. Guys, I might prefer this kind of food rather than the 5-star. So good. It's like fresh, but then savory because of the pork. A little bit of unique taste from the star fruit. I think they do something like sourness. There's a sourness from the salad. Oh my god, goodness. This is the pancake. I think I'm going to put a little bit of chili right here and insert some veggies. They actually already divide that into two for you. Try to do it without the chili sauce, the peanut sauce. My goodness. It is greasy, I know, but even the crab. Wow. I don't know what to explain or how to explain the food rather than the thing about Vietnamese food is that they're quite simple in terms of ingredients, but it is so rich and very good.
Yeah, thank you.
Very delicious.
Yeah.
First time.
A little because it smells good, but it's
Very spicy. I like spicy. It's
Oh yeah. Okay, I give for you the green tea with ice.
Yes, thank you so much. Very kind, hey? Let me finish my food and enjoy this. Travel and work at the same time? No, I work online.
You are YouTuber.
Yeah! How do you know? Oh wow. So many people are doing YouTube?
Yeah. In Vietnam, YouTube in
Very famous, huh? My camera is in my bag, so I'm using my phone.
not bad.
Not bad, huh?
Yeah.
This is why fast food doesn't work in Vietnam, because then most of the street food are already fast enough. It's been raining in Ho Chi Minh, and so plenty of floods. We're going through floods like that. There's no system of drainage. Pretty bad. It's okay. One thing that is very common in Vietnam is that you get to eat street food, and Vietnam is Anthony's Bourdain's favorite country in terms of the food, Vietnamese food and everything. I am reuniting with one of my favorite food called Banh Xeo. He's selling with all of those food. So this is basically the crabs with the sauce, fish sauce, chili, veggies, and rice paper wraps.